Hey, do you want to learn how to mask videos in CapCut? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So in order to do this, you need to first open up your project like I've done here, and then you need to import a video from here. Just need to press on this import button and import a video. After that, you need to press on this plus icon or just drag it to your track right here. Next up, you need to go over to the top right-hand corner. You're going to find video. Then below it, you will find the third option, that is mask. Press on it, enable mask, and then press on this add mask. Then you'll have all these options like rectangle, circle, heart, stars, etc. So I'm just going to select rectangle. Next up, you can just move this mask around like this, rotate it. And if you want to increase the size of this, just press on the corners and increase or decrease it. Increase the width as well from here. You can also make the borders round by dragging this and increase the feather like this. Now, the reason that the background is black here is because we don't have anything below our video. So if I add this image right here, and then I put this masked video up to the second layer, now we will have a layer under it, and we can move this masked layer video around like this. And yeah, that's it. That's how to mask videos in CapCut. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more CapCut related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.